In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Airbnb account 2026, step by step. If you're locked out of your Airbnb account, don't worry, I'll walk you through the official recovery process from start to finish so you can get back in quickly and securely. First, open your web browser and go to airbnb.com. Make sure you're on the official site before entering any information. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button, usually in the upper right corner, and click it. On the login screen, choose the Forgot Password option. This is the built-in recovery path designed to help you regain access safely. You'll be asked to enter either the email address or the phone number associated with your Airbnb account. Pick the one you currently have access to. If you use your phone number, include the correct country code and enter the number exactly as you registered it. If you choose email, double check for typos before you submit. After you continue, Airbnb will send you one of two things depending on what you entered: a password reset link to your email or a verification code by SMS. If you chose email, watch your inbox for a new message from Airbnb and open the reset link inside. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a minute and then look in folders like spam or junk in case it was filtered. If you opted for text, keep your phone nearby, and when the code arrives, use it on the same screen where you were prompted. Codes and links are time sensitive, so use them promptly and avoid requesting multiple codes in a short time to prevent delays. Following the link or entering the code will take you to the page where you create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used anywhere else. Aim for at least 12 characters and combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal details like names, birthdays, or simple sequences. A password manager can help you generate and safely store a complex password so you don't have to memorize it. Once you confirm the new password and save, you should be taken back to your Airbnb account. That's it. The recovery is complete. As a quick security reminder, only use the official Airbnb site or app for account recovery and never share verification codes with anyone. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps whenever you need to reset access, and you'll be back into your Airbnb account with confidence.